Hi everyone, let's talk about DynamicsGP. Here at TitaniumGP, we believe in the power of DynamicsGP. We've found a way to increase the return of your GP investment. We have tools that tackle problems like the speed of tedious bulk updating or the flexibility of your fields. But these tools still don't tackle GP's speed. What do Google and Bing have to say for this? Logging in, loading smart list, and actually working in GP are the biggest complaints when it comes to speed all around. After some brainstorming, we found a solution to all three of these. Just don't launch GP. Let me show you TitaniumGP's fastest product. First, I'll log you into DynamicsGP. Watch this process. Okay, we don't have all day, so let's go into Excel. You'll notice TGP Plus here on the ribbon. This is your solution. I'll log in here using the same credentials I just used in DynamicsGP. TGP Plus will read your login and give you the same security and privileges you'd have in GP. I've already logged in here and DynamicsGP is still loading. Remember the 3 complaints about DynamicGP's speed? That's one taken care of. Now let's look at the Smart List loading speed. Let's give GP a fair shot. Let's open Smart List. Now that it's open, let's load all of our inventory purchase receipts. Now let's open up an even smarter list. Watch this load. GP is still going, but TGP Plus is done. DynamicsGP takes so long to load because it calls the server 3 or 4 times per line loaded. Our program calls the server a couple of times per 1,000 items. Back to the list. There is your problem number 2 taken care of. What can I do in this program other than loading things really fast? Let's take a look at performance. TGP Plus has our copy-paste program built into it, so users are still able to easily update and bulk update information. Our templates are all easily available and located in the ribbon. Let's open the sales transaction entry smarter list. Let's use the TGP Plus copy-paste to update batch IDs for orders that shipped this morning. Start by clicking on Copy-Paste in the ribbon. You'll see a vertical scroll bar open on the right side of the screen. This is the new TGP Plus copy-paste user interface. Now click on Action column in the scroll bar. This will open an additional column with a field for the type of update that we want to make. I'll click on Update Header. Now, I'll change the batch ID from Ready to Shipped. Copy the data you want to paste. Notice how it is now displayed on a table in the scroll bar. Click on the drop-down menu to select the correct transaction type. Once you are satisfied, confirm the paste operation you want to complete by clicking this box. And then click on Process Paste to paste the data into GP. When the operation is completed, you'll receive a success message under the Process Paste button in Results. Once you see this message, your GP Smart List has been updated. TGP Plus solves the 3 main problems with GP's speed, and we haven't even scratched the surface of the features it has. With a search feature, reconciliation feature, and forms, the capabilities are endless. TGP Plus works exclusively through Excel, and there are several advantages to this. TGP Plus doesn't use up concurrent user licenses, since you aren't using DynamicsGP. This will save users frustration when they need to update data, but companies have already hit their concurrent user limit. TGP Plus will also save companies a lot of time and money because they won't need to train new employees on how to use GP. As long as users know how to use Excel, they can update GP data. Overall, there are a lot of advantages to making a program that allows users to access GP from Excel. Rather than creating an add-on to try to tackle the speed and functionality symptoms of an old program, we've created a modern portal to access it. Excel is a program that is here to stay, and with TGP Plus, so is DynamicsGP.